Hello, in front of me I've got CASCHO BX17. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your earbuds. In the beginning, place your earbuds back in the charging case. Make sure that they are not connected to any device. Before you put them in charging case, plug the charging case to power outlet. Now, when you see that the charging case is charging, place your earbuds back in the charging case. Wait for 20 seconds. Now, take them out of the charging case. You can close it and wait for another 20 seconds. After this time, turn them on. This should reset your earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.